Hello, Rico Lorraine Singer here, and I'm here to teach you how to crack your lower back and crack your tailbone at the same time. I call it the double triangle effect. It's pretty advanced, so it's gonna be very complicated. I don't know how to explain this, so let's get to it. Let me show you how it's done. First of all, you sit like this and you grab your ankle, push this other ankle across your knee. Okay, and then you pull this up to your butt right here. You lay down, and then you use this hand to grab your knee, and you pull it towards your chest and bring it down. And then here's the crack. The crack should be right here and right here. It gives also a stretch on both sides. So pull your ankle right here and then push this down. So pull and push at the same time. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Alright, so do the other side. You put the ankle across your thigh right here. This ankle on this side, hold it with your hand, pull, lay down, grab your knee, pull it down, and pull your ankle up towards your butt. Alright, please consult your doctor, physician, chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.